In today's video, I will walk you through how to create multiple Shopify store on one account. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you manage different brands, product categories, or separate online businesses, Shopify makes it possible to control multiple stores from one account. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the store management section and how to create another Shopify store while keeping everything connected under the same login. To begin, sign into your Shopify account through the Shopify Admin dashboard. This is the main area where Shopify organizes all of your business tools, including products, customers, analytics, themes, settings, and store management options. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll have access to the controls needed to manage additional stores. After the dashboard loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen, where your profile icon appears. This section contains account-related settings and store management options. Select the profile icon to open the account menu connected to your Shopify account. Inside this menu, locate the option labeled All Stores. This section displays every Shopify store currently connected to your account. If you already manage more than one store, you'll see them listed here. Shopify may also separate stores into active and inactive categories, making it easier to organize different projects or businesses from one place. One helpful part of this setup is that you can switch between stores without needing to sign out and log back in every time. This saves time and keeps everything more organized if you work across multiple storefronts regularly. Now continue by selecting the option that says Create Store. Once selected, Shopify will begin opening a new store under your existing account. Even though the new store is connected to the same login, it will still function independently with its own settings, products, themes, and store customization options. After the new store is created, Shopify will guide you through the setup process. This includes configuring store details, adjusting themes, adding products, and organizing the new storefront based on the type of business you want to run. The process works similarly to setting up any Shopify store for the first time. Once setup is complete, the new store will appear inside the All Stores section, together with your other stores. From there, you can move between stores whenever needed and continue managing everything from the same Shopify account. And that is the complete process for creating multiple Shopify stores on one account.